Guys, welcome to this episode right now. This is good. This is what we're gonna be using tonight. So we're gonna do a little bit of night fishing and also too casting the net. So we're gonna see what we can get tonight. Hopefully lure some shrimp in for us tonight, because actually we're gonna do some little fishing tomorrow and hopefully do some crabbing. All right, so let's get started. Oh yeah, and here's our battery that we're gonna be using. So we might not have much time, but hey, we kind of tested out a little bit. It did give us some juice. Good brightness of the light. Y'all see in a minute. I was about to collect everything and go on and head out. Got the main things right here. Fish pole.